Hi HTS faculty, I'm coming to you from the elementary building. I have two classrooms I wanted to show you today. I did Christine's class in elementary and Jen B's over in middle school. I wanted to give you a peek as to what it would look like socially distanced with 6 feet in between the desks. As you'll see, quite a bit of furniture was removed, but it definitely is a safe environment with 6 feet between the students and of course between the students and you. So I'll be back with a peek in a second. So as we enter the classroom, you can see that the large table at the back was removed. As we go into the classroom, you can see that all of the desks are indeed 6 feet away. They're all marked on the ground with tape, so if they wiggle, the students will be able to get them back on track. And you can see that there are arrows. So what I'm imagining is students would have number order, and student number 1 would come into the classroom and take a peek over here, go directly to the desk. They would fill in this way, and so on. I did need to move the bookshelf over here, which means students' belongings would go out in the hall. And obviously we'll talk about hand washing policies and all of that, but hopefully this gives you a sense as to how the room looks. One of the things that you will be asked to do is to come into school over the summer and identify what you would like to come out of the room. Christine, if you love it like this, we can keep it like this, but otherwise we want you to have your own decision making about it. So 6 feet, everyone fits, and plenty of distance there. So I'll be back with Jen B's room. So I'm back. I've moved over to the middle school. This is Jen B's class. Jen didn't have quite as much furniture as we did over in 4th grade, so not too much needed to be removed, but you can see we have 2 rows of 5 and 2 rows of 8. So this we set up as one of our largest classes with 18 desks. Same thing with the floor. We've got arrows to guide how the students would come in. 6 feet apart, same distance between the smartboard and the student that's closest. The Chromebook cart is in the closet, and how we're imagining it is that the kids really would not be moving out of their classroom, that 6-1 would stay in place, and teachers would come to them. The recommendations across the board are all pretty much that if students can stay in one place and the teachers rotate, it just helps with spacing in the hallways. So the point is, once the students got a Chromebook, it would be theirs for the day and each day after that. So I hope this is informative for you. I hope you feel comfortable. 6 feet is exactly what CDC guidelines suggest, and we are well within that. So not entirely the way we teach anymore with one teacher standing at the front, but this does enable us to all be back together, which is terrific. So if you have any questions, as you know, we will be hosting kind of a coffee informal talk on Wednesday, and that would be a great opportunity to clarify anything that's not apparent in the video. But thank you.